Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you, the camera just moves, teaching you how to make a paper airplane. And all you need is a piece of paper, but it has to be a rectangle, otherwise it won't work. And first you want to fold it just like that, like a little book fold. Also, make sure you check out my chatterbox tutorial where I made this chatterbox. So that will be in the description. But first we're going to make the paper airplane. So you've done that. Now we're going to unfold it again. Then we're going to take the corner. Take the corner and fold it in like that to the middle line. See that? Then it should look like this. Then you're going to do that same on the other side. Now it should look like this. It doesn't matter if these things are uneven, it won't make a difference. Mine sometimes go a bit uneven, but that is fine. It won't do anything if they're uneven. So next you're going to get this side, this edge, and fold it over like that to the middle crease. So just like that. There. So it should look like this. And then you can do that on the same, on the other side. Also, please comment and tell me how you make the thumbnail picture, because if the thumbnail pictures are weird, then that's because I don't know how to make them. They just do random stuff. So please comment how you do that, how you make the thumbnail picture. Please. I only have 13 subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. And if you haven't, then subscribe. And then after you've done that, it should look like this. Then you can fold it in half, just like this. So now it should be like this. And I can just open it up and like that. But it's not finished yet. Some people just go like this and just finish it, and this will be the paper airplane. But no, we're not going to do that. We're going to go into detail. We're going to make the wings by, doesn't really matter how far you go, but we can get this and fold that down like that. Then you can do that on the other side and line it up. Now it should look something like this, this. And then if you grab this part in the middle, it should go out like this, and then you've got your paper airplane. Now, for my paper airplane, I'm going to get a marker. Now, my paper airplane, you don't have to do this, but my paper airplane is going to be called Judy. And here's a little Judy. I'm going to do that on the other side. No one does this. I'm just weird and I just do it for fun. But here's little Judy, my paper airplane. I have lots of other complicated paper airplanes that I used from a kit that allowed me to make complex paper airplanes. I'll show you them at the end of the video. And now I will show you how the paper airplane works.